Dear 8th class student, in the previous video you have learned food chain and food web. I mentioned that food chain is a link in an ecosystem, whereas food web is a network of many food chain. Keep this point in your mind. I'm sure you will remember. I will move just the video above and show the simplest food chain. Why you are studying food chain? Because you are going to draw a food pyramid based on food chain as well as food web. And in the previous video you have learned food web is a network of many food chain, and you have drawn the ray diagram. Okay, now you are going to draw pyramid. Already I mentioned in the previous video, pyramid is, or food pyramid is a representation. So you note down as it is given in your book. Charles Elton developed the concept of ecological pyramid. Ecological pyramid and food pyramid are very closely related. Here you are going to apply the numbers. Okay, that is the way you are going to learn this subheading, pyramids of numbers. Okay, just I will move down. In your book it is given example of grassland ecosystem. You remember you have learned in the concept map forest ecosystem. Here you are going to take the example of grassland ecosystem. Grassland is also ecosystem. It represents very simple thing. That is why in the first point it is given grasses occupy the lowest tropical level. Even in the food chain you have written grass, then grasshopper. I will move again upward and I will show you. See how this grass is used for all these things. Six examples are given. Grass, beetle, then arrow mark, facts, simplest food chain. Okay, it is not at all difficulties. It has been already taught to you, but now you are going to apply, taking the points as it is in given. You write down at least 4 points. Okay, the next higher tropic level is primary consumer. That is what going to come in the pyramid of numbers in the form of food pyramid. Okay, I am mentioning as well as focusing the points as it is given in the book. So you underline it and note it. I am sure you might have collected your notebooks. Now start writing. If it is in the next video, live one, you can ask me and clarify the point that you have doubt. Otherwise, I will open the smart class and I will focus on pyramid of numbers in the form of ecological pyramid. If you remember this grassland ecosystem, the concept you are going to learn is, you are drawing like this pyramid. Yes, at the bottom level producers are there. It is called primary producers. Then you go consumers. In the consumers, already I mentioned 3 are there, but here the simplest one you take down. Either you draw 3 or you draw 4, no problem. And note down this point. In the interdependence of organism, here is also this heading for 4 important terms. symbiosis. Symbiosis means mutual benefit. In this, you are going to learn these terms. One is parasitism, where the host supply food to the other organism. Then mutualism, it is a synonyms of symbiosis. Mutual benefits are there. And commensalism, it is also a food relationship in which one organism get benefit and doesn't harm the host. If it is harming the host, then it is parasitism. But here the host didn't get harm, so it is commensalism. And the fourth last term is predation. And move to the next page. You note down. Yes, predator. Predator means literally hunter. So predator is an organism that eats its prey. After writing prey, you write within bracket food. So predation is a kind of relationship in which hunter eat its prey because the prey serves as a food. So this video is mainly for representing the organism and learning these four terms. Okay, in the next video it will be simplest one. You are going to learn more. So thanks for watching. Bye.